I found a ton of stuff on SHEIN that makes packing my lunch a lot easier for my mom.
We ordered a ton of different lunchbox options from SHEIN to show you guys there's truly something for everyone. So first we're gonna start with this little thermos. It just has a little twist off top, insulated. Wow.
So you just open it from the bottom. So much cuter than a plastic bag.
This one is a really fun take on a bento box.
There is where you put your lunch.
Of course, you have your spoon, fork, your butter knife, and obviously chopsticks because life is just more fun with chopsticks. And I have to show you guys the cutest lunch bag.
I love that there's cute little drawstrings on this bag.
I hope we gave you guys some good ideas with products from SHEIN. Now you have to get to shopping. Go on, get out of here.
No, really.
Get shopping. See ya.